What's up, everybody? It's Tioka with Vagabond Culture, your #1 source for everything travel, adventure, and lifestyle. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. That way you're notified every time I post a new video. Hey everybody, it's Tioka with Vagabond Culture, and I'm here with
Thelma,
Jewel,
Amber,
and we're here with another snack crate video. Moika. Moika means hello in Finnish, which means this snack crate is from Finland. Each snack crate comes with a brochure, so it has different fun facts about Finland and also a list of different snacks. Some of them we will be reviewing today. Also comes with stickers if you have children. So let's get to it.
Okay, well, looks like we have our first snack, and this is
flat.
It's a little flat. It's flat. Looks like they're chips, sour cream, and onion. You know, it'll be a little crushed.
It's a little crisp.
We're gonna see. We're gonna see.
They kind of look like Ruffles.
Yeah, they have like the same kind of ridges as American chips. They smell okay. It's real faint.
Very faint.
Seasoning.
Yeah,
They could.
There's so much to compete with our last
Yeah,
snack crate.
yeah. All the last snack crates had really great chips. Think about it. Jalapenos
Yes.
from Hawaii, chicken chips from
Those were
France,
good.
salt and vinegar chips from
Yeah,
Hawaii.
yeah,
those were
kettle,
good.
kettle.
Those
Yeah,
were
those were
good.
good.
We have Turkish pepper, or however you pronounce that. I have no idea. But it says it's hot and sour. I don't know what color this is. To be honest, it reminds me of a cough drop. Does it look like a cough drop to you?
does.
Mm. It's getting better. Maybe. Hold on.
Kind of butterscotchy.
I don't know what this is.
Did y'all buy y'all's yet?
I ain't bought it. It's not terrible. It's just confusing.
It's very weird.
Mine is much better now than it was initially.
It's starting to do something.
I don't know about whatever this feeling is. I feel like some of it started to come out.
Mm-hmm. Like them little holes. Did you get little holes in
Yeah,
yours?
it's coming out, right?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, it's a little bit of a spice in there.
Okay,
That happened to you yet?
so they are.
I don't know about this one.
They're pepper fruit candy.
Filled with a salty licorice powder.
Oh,
That's
it
what
was
the weird taste
licorice.
is
That's
about
why it was weird.
Yeah, like in the inside, when you get a little hole on the side and start like kind of like sucking it out, it kind of has like a little spiciness to it.
Yeah, I don't
Yeah.
know about the inner stuff.
It's different.
Ew.
Yeah.
So what's happening is that initially it's sour, and then you get spurts of spiciness. It's very weird.
Ooh. I don't know. Ooh, what that stuff.
It start to hit you?
Yeah, look, that pepper guy
Yeah, it's a little like leave a little trail.
is not good at all. I'm not a fan of it. I'm not a fan.
It starts out like, okay, maybe this
I'm not
is
a
good.
fan.
Maybe this is alright. And then the more you start to have it in your mouth, and
Nah.
stuff is coming out.
It's not good.
No, that ain't it.
I'm scared to know what the other flavors taste like.
Yeah, that ain't.
If you enjoy my videos and have subscribed to my channel, you'll love my Instagram page. Be sure to follow me for amazing travel and adventure photos and videos. Follow me on Instagram at Vagabond Culture. I post weekly.
Moomin fruit candies.
They're a little hard now.
They're gelatin free, so that's probably why they're hard.
It's
Like
like
chewing
a,
wax.
it's like a jelly bean mixed with a fruit snack.
It don't have a bad flavor. It's just
A jelly snack.
A jelly snack.
A fruit bean.
These are Hearts corn snacks with nacho cheese flavor.
They're
So they
called
look
Hearts?
like some honeycombs or something.
I love honeycombs.
So maybe like a honeycomb Dorito.
Like a bugle consistency.
That's what I was thinking
Oh.
of. It don't smell like it has any flavor, really. So I probably need 3.
Because Taffel made them, and we know Taffel. Taffel, they don't get your corn, and they ain't gonna put a lot of seasoning.
Well, I got faith in it before we even eat this. Hey, mess up my heart.
Is a house
of love.
and I've learned that it don't take much to fill it up.
They're not bad.
Oh, Oh,
Pretty good.
yeah.
You know what they also remind me of? Those little chips or packables that we eat.
Yes, that's what I was thinking.
So we have a gem. I don't know. I have no clue what gem is. Looks to be chocolate.
Is that marshmallow? Oh.
If it's marshmallows, I'm not eating it.
You are trying it, Jewel. We're
Yes,
trying.
trying it.
Eat marshmallows.
We're trying.
It has a really thin layer of chocolate, like
It might be like nougat.
barely there.
It might be like.
It does look like it could be.
It looks
nougat.
like the. It looks like the Three Musketeers.
It's marshmallow.
What's it like, banana flavor?
Mm-hmm. Something like that. It tastes like the candy that you get in a box of chocolates.
Yeah.
And it'd be like that one, you be like, then you bite half of it and put it back.
So what we have is a pack of cigarettes. I mean, a pack of salmiacs.
I don't even know what to think that this is gonna look like.
I don't either. It's to
I'm gonna assume they're probably like candy cigarettes.
Probably so. And I'm really
okay,
sad.
candy cigarettes, or I was thinking Tic Tacs. They sound kind of like Tic Tacs to me. They're like diamond shaped. It feels like the gummies. Yeah.
They look like those erasers. You know the old erasers you used to use in school?
yes. That don't work. The erasers that don't work. If you mess
The one
up your
that you
paper.
set around
You
all
mess up your paper.
Tear a hole in the paper.
Yep. Or the whole thing, you be racing, the whole thing pop and then break, like the tips break off. Yeah.
Yes.
Things these children will never know about. I'm gonna
I don't know what to expect.
I'm gonna assume these are
Just get it over with.
They smell like black licorice.
Nope.
Oh,
No.
I didn't get the.
No.
That ain't
Oh
it.
no.
That ain't it. That
Oh
ain't it.
no.
Wait.
That is, it's black licorice and it's hard. And
It didn't even take long.
yeah, you know
No,
Okay.
no. Put it in here. Put it in here. Put it in there.
I just put it in my can.
I don't hate black licorice, but I don't like this.
What? I don't know what this is.
I don't know,
What
yeah.
the heck? It's on my tongue. Come on, y'all.
Finland, I didn't think you was gonna be able to top the
Turkish pepper.
the Turkish pepper. I didn't think you was gonna be able to top it, but you did that. For
Listen.
all the snack crates we've done,
Listen.
that
was the
was the
Terrible.
worst.
It was like black licorice with salt on it.
Whatever it was,
Like a
it was
salty-
absolutely
Almost like
terrible.
a salty coating.
These bite-sized salted licorice pieces are the perfect introduction to the traditional Finnish salmiak candy.
That's the perfect
Told
introduction.
you.
Now we have the Oopla
Oh.
Maxi. I feel like this one might be
Energy
better
bar.
than. I hope it is.
An energy bar, like an energy bar.
We need some energy after that. That was a letdown. That was a morale kill.
Yeah, it was. I think this might be like a 100 gram.
Oh, I don't like things like that.
You'd be doing too much for you.
100 grams is pretty good.
It's really not bad.
It's not bad.
It's not terrible. I think my mouth is just so satisfied to have something in it besides that.
Absolutely. We would have started with that. Oh my gosh. We would have
It's been a quick video.
a
quick video.
All right, so this was Finland.
It's a no on Finland, folks.
Susu.
Yeah, exactly. We have Susu Original. It looked like something that Willy Wonka would have a little bit.
I think Finland just got us all terrified.
Like a scrumdiddly.
Finland, I don't.
Yeah, I'm just nervous.
Oh, is that peanut butter?
That orange is giving me peanut butter vibes. It tastes like, you know those caramel
Toffee.
candies with the
Yes, yes, yes.
Like the cow toes, but then they have those
Yeah.
gollets.
Those and Tootsie Rolls was like the last thing about my trick or treat bag.
In the arms of the angel.
I love Tootsie Rolls.
I just ate them last. When y'all went trick or treating, we went trick or treating with pillowcases.
I never
Yeah, we
went trick or
did.
treating.
We never had a trick or treat bag.
That's
So
all
we
we ever
did use
used.
pillowcases.
I grew up in an unsafe neighborhood, so we went trick or treating at the mall, and they just gave me bags there.
We went to Hallelujah night at church.
I ain't never did that.
Yeah.
Now we went to the places where they were giving money sometimes and king size candy.
So this I am going to assume is like the top notch of the Carl Fazer brands and Fazer chocolates. And this is the Carl Fazer.
Made a lot of them.
It was soft, like easy.
I'm excited
Oh,
for
it is.
Yeah.
All right.
Thank you.
So big.
Good though.
It is good.
That's tasty. Okay.
I like that.
That was good.
This is the geisha. And it's really cute. Milk chocolate with soft hazelnut filling.
Hold on, man.
Uh-huh.
Yo, have you seen that ad for KFC where it's like a chicken sandwich with Cheetos in it?
No. There's some country, I can't remember which one, in the KFC, they're selling fried chicken skin, like just a skin.
Really?
It might be popping.
I'm sure.
That's probably good.
Yeah.
Trying to kill people.
Yeah, they are.
That's the worst part of the chicken thingy.
It's the most delicious.
Yeah, it is.
I really don't want to eat it.
No, it's good. It's good.
Why? It's good.
We like it.
Just bite it.
No, I don't like it. This whole snack crate has thrown
That's
me off.
medication.
This is just.
Bad mitigation.
It's good.
I don't like it. You like it?
It's straight, yeah.
Really?
Good.
It's kind of got like a. You should like it because it tastes like coffee. Really. You didn't even try it. You don't know if you like it.
Yeah.
I just thought.
You know, I licked it. I don't. I bit a little bit of it. I really don't like
When
it.
did you bite some of it?
We all
I bit.
Nobody saw it, Tio.
It was a very small
You are
piece.
lying to your
Nobody
We
saw
watched
it.
you.
You lying to your folks. You lying.
Last but not least, we've got Jaffa. It's just like a,
It's not too bad.
It's like a little flat orange soda.
It does taste like orange soda.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's not a ton of flavor,
Yeah,
But you know,
but
Finland don't do flavor.
that's true.
I think we're probably just used to American sodas that have so much sugar in them.
I don't know what to say. This snack crate has been
Stressful.
stressful.
Stressful is a good word.
It's never been an adventure.
My favorites would be the hearts.
Yeah.
I like the Lumens. The Ruffles. I definitely would have the Ruffles over several of these.
I think I would probably. I don't hate this soda actually. It's pretty good. I like the hearts, and I would go with the 2 chocolates in the end.
I'm just gonna skip what I like because I like pretty much the same things Tio. And we're just gonna say what we all collectively agree.
To be honest,
that
Jewel,
we dislike.
Jewel like these.
No idea.
Yeah, I'm pretty much the same as y'all. I can tell you what I don't like.
Yeah.
Like I said, that salami and them peppers. No.
So you guys, as you can see, this has been a very interesting snack crate. Question for you, what was the worst snack you've ever tasted? To be honest, this was all of ours. I don't think I've even had food that tastes this bad. Would you try these? As Ember stated earlier from the brochure, it's black licorice, sprinkle a little salt. Terrible. Definitely leave a comment below. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Don't forget to check out Snack Crate Hawaii, Turkey, and France. Very good videos. I'll drop those down below. If you guys are interested in subscribing to Snack Crate, definitely check out the referral link below. And I also have that in the description area. In the meantime, thank you guys so much for tuning in and have a great day. See you next time. Stand up. Let me know that you understand. Harry.
Wait.
We were born. I do this every time. It's terrible. So embarrassing. It brings me so much joy. Hey everybody. What are you doing? Stop the press. Everything else.
Oh!
They would. I'm
Thank
sure
you.
they didn't see that.
Only fresh moon pie. Vagabond.
Thank you guys so much for watching my entire video and leaving a comment below. Please let me know if you have any travel or adventure video suggestions. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. That way you're notified every time I post a new video. See you next time.